Hi everyone, this is the day solution for day 24. Okay, this one is looking at the screw jack washer, which is 25mm diameter and then the length's 15. Got 4 type 2.5 chamfers and an M12 175 through the centre. So let's have a look then. Starting drawing on our template. Okay, so we're going to do a circle. D for diameter. C on the 0 point. D for diameter 25. Okay, that's giving us the outer ring. We know you can offset that then by 2.5 in the centre. Same circle again, running out the centre point. We've got a diameter of 12, which is going to be then the little hole. Okay, the actual drill size for a 12 point, well, an M12 is 10.2. So I'll just put that as a radius. So actually going in properties, I can change that to diameter 10.2, like so. What we can then do is, if you look back at the images of that little C, and all I basically did was then trim that out afterwards. So let's put in our centre points. Okay, convert them into centres, like so. Trim. So that little section there, that's giving us our outer point now. Okay, and the literally same again, to an offset now 6 either side. We're going to offset 12.5. Okay, and then we're going to offset a final sort of profile, I don't know, maybe 50, just to kick it out of the way. And then it's going to be 15. So that's so. So now we can come along. Like so. Now I'm going to change these ones here and those ones there. And those ones into my construction, like so. So now I've got my little chamfers to put on. So CHA. It's a distance of 2.5 by 2.5. I'm doing multiples, so I'll do 4, so put an M in for the command. Like so. And the lines are going to then run up back through. Like so. Then we've got the offset for the 12, so I'm going to be on my hidden. Okay, and then it's going to be offset, isn't it? So it's going to be I think 1.75 should kick it in line with the 10.2. So it's half is not sorry, offset 0.875. That'll kick it in there nicely. So then we turn our construction layer off. We've got our hidden detail, and then the center points. What we could do is, if you want to make the challenge a little bit harder, you could have made a section view of this. So what we're going to do very quickly is then just do the section view. So we're going to do, I don't know, let's drop it down to 25, and then 25 again. Probably going to do actually 25 across. I think that's what I did those times. That must have been 50 across, was it? That was it. So, going to do a copy. Remember, same as the last time, copy the whole lot. Choose a point where you got on both scales. That's going to be too high, isn't it? So, like so. I'm just going to convert that and that to a construction line. Turn my constructions back on. So now I'm basically just need to hack everything out that I don't need. So I don't need that one, that one, that one. There is potentially no real hidden detail. So now I'm going to choose those two and those two, and they're going to be now my drawing lines. Little hatch 31. There we go, now there's our little section view. I could probably get out a bit higher actually. Oh, that looks fine. So there's a little section view, and again, we got to do is just on the view, put in section view, which is the little phantom line member. Run that through, so it goes to section view. I know we just come 20 out. Be 55. So let me just turn that off. So if you look, the actual section view is it's not long enough, so we're just going to double check that the phantom's working correctly by drawing a longer line, which it is, but it's actually not long enough to show the details. So what we're going to do, come into phantom, load in the phantom half scale. There we go, so it's a nice sort of line there. Onto your cue leader. We did it 5, didn't we? Rotate that round because we're having it the other way. Like so. And just move the arrow so it's on the correct side. Little text 2.5A. Make sure that's center linked. And the justification. Like so. Then we just got to come down now. And change that to center justification. Find the center point. I reckon drop it down probably 10. Then into our drawing, turn our construction layers off. Bring everything up. I mean, I did have the original 4 times the size, but because of section now, I'm going to probably do 2 times the size. There we go, nice sort of clear photo or image. That's indeed just done the dimensions. So because we've got the thread inside, you might actually want to include the thread on this one rather than the other one. Like so. This one, last one, then just got to change the there we go. Come back, everything's in place, then we can just sort of plot that and then you can output it. So then that's the solution for today. Tune in tomorrow where we're going to start to block all this together and build our assembly. So see you tomorrow.